Magamba group mujana chibiriti moja pichi zino magala kamanyiro wano Yalule rinyalyo gwani yokere rinyalyo gwani yokere rinyalyo speak your name.
I never seen this.
Speak your motherfucking name.
You called the president.
You called who?
You called the president. Called the
Who sent you here? Who sent you here?
Commander.
Which commander? Identify yourself. You talk to yourself.
He's a commander.
You've come here to do what?
Commander yuko wapi? We nani? We nani? Unaitwa nani? Wewe. Unaitwa nani?
Wewe nani?
Unaitwa nani?
Wewe nani? Wewe nani? Wewe nani?
Gwe gundi go ina kamanyiro gwe. Oyo gundi oya ina kamanyiro. Go ina kamanyiro gwe. Nakulabye you have a kamanyiro gwe.
This is my gun. No.
Mujana chibiriti area. Leta chibiriti tocha pichi zino. Leta pichi tocha no pichi. Basi wala chi. Tokira bogezi. Muleta pichi muleta chibiriti tocha zino pichi. Magala leta kamanyiro. Who sent you? Ku order chani abaise. Ku order chi. Ani abalese. Leta pichi zabwe. Leta pichi zabwe. Direct area. Direct. Oya ina kamanyiro no. Oya ina kamanyiro yo. Oya ina kamanyiro. Ona ina kamanyiro kanjo no.
Magala tuka. Afana toina mwe. Toina mwe.
Muleta pichi zabwe. Gwe motherfucker. Ono motherfucker abada manyina kusindika basale gwe bakungana ku mulimo. Pumbavu. Gwe bala kumanyira gwe. Roger, jamaa sasa muchemba. Dijana mu. Je sasa muchemba tumulagazi tuli ba maje. Jamaa sasa gwe kusindike basale gwe sawa zino. Oje kuluzi ngo mulimu kwa bwerere. Jamaa sasa muchemba. Jamaa sasa muchemba. Je sasa muchemba.
What is it? But why did you come? Why did you come?
Who sent you here?
Why did you come in the first?
Who sent you here?
It's a family matter. It's a family matter. You cannot scare us anymore.
Dijemu, yes.
You can't scare us.
Talilimu muchemba. Talilimu muchemba. Eyoli libadde muchemba na yeri no talilimu. Ono talina sasi muchemba. Oli yabadde ne oyo yabadde no lugezigezi. Ono adata de sasi muchemba na yagwe. Igwe. Owonye.
Listen.
Tokuba jirekere ojeria. Eria jireke. Zitwale eri. Muzitwale eri.
Mutulumbe kutakalia fe.
Eria. Soko jireke. Muzitwale eri. Eri. Baje wano. Hey! Come here!